Welcome to the Pew Fine Arts Center. At Grove City College, students learn to discern what is good, true, and beautiful. The Pew Fine Arts Center provides a venue for that education through music, theater, and art. Since the college's founding 150 years ago, it has stressed the arts as a key component of comprehensive Christian education. Music programs were among the earliest academic offerings, and at least two of the college's original buildings were known at different times as Music Hall. The theatrical and visual arts came into their own later in the timeline, and by the 1920s, a drama club had been established, and art classes were being offered. As the century progressed, performances were held in various locations on lower campus, including Carnegie Music Hall. On upper campus, Crawford Hall Auditorium became a popular venue for theater performances and guest entertainers. By the early 1970s, nearly half of the 2,200 students on campus were involved in music and art programs. Pew Fine Arts Center officially opened in 1976, the college's centennial year, and was expanded significantly with a 2002 addition. It is named for J. Howard Pew, who served 60 years on the Board of Trustees and was a chairman for 40 at the time of his death in 1971. In addition to his leadership, the oil industry pioneer behind Sunoco contributed millions of dollars to the college, but resisted attempts to put his name on anything during his life. He is also honored on campus with a life-sized bronze statue in the Harbison Chapel Garden. As well as comprehensive performance and exhibition spaces, the Pew Fine Arts Center features class and rehearsal rooms, art and video production studios, and an art gallery that regularly features exhibitions of student and guest artists' work. Its largest venue is Kettler Auditorium, a showplace for the college's musical ensembles and visiting artists. The Kettler stage is also put to good use by the college's nationally recognized theater program for musicals, plays, and the Hilda Adam Kring Children's Theater. Guest speakers are also routinely heard there. Two smaller performance venues in Pew Fine Arts Center allow for more intimate shows. The Little Theater is a versatile black box theater suitable for small dramatic productions and voice students. The Arnold Recital Hall provides a stage for student recitals, smaller ensembles, and guest artists.